Teachers, let's take a minute to look at how you can build units here in CS First using their curriculum. To get started, I'm going to choose View Curriculum here in the top right corner. When I do that, all of the curriculum will show. There are 73 lessons tucked into a number of units here, and Google has organized them for you. The first one is an introductory lesson. It doesn't just teach students how to do the basics of Blockly Scratch coding. It's also going to teach them the basics of how to go through a CS First lesson. It's a great start if you plan on using this resource frequently. Additionally, there are numerous single 1-hour lessons that are standalones. The first set are content specific. The next set have come from Hour of Code, a wide variety of activities with a wide variety of ability. At the bottom of this page are multi-day units. All of these units have about 8 lessons attached to them. Google says that these lessons should take approximately an hour, give or take. Older students will probably take a little less time. Our younger students will probably take all that time and maybe a bit more. When you find the lesson that you would like to share with your students, go ahead and click on Add to Class. You can scroll through each of these and click to find information about that particular lesson. For example, I can choose to view this lesson on characterization. I can view the lesson as a student might see the different opportunities. I can see examples of the final product so that I know what to expect from my students' work. I can also get a lesson plan, which breaks down into great detail every part of this lesson and even includes some ideas about timing and hints for ways that you can help your students during that particular lesson. One thing to point out is that some of these lessons are also available in Spanish. You'll notice this with this particular indication on the top of the lesson. When you're ready, you can click the blue button to start the lesson and get a student experience, or choose Add to Class. This will add it so your students have access. Choose the class that you'd like to assign this to, and choose Add to Classes. Once you've added the lesson, you can choose to go to My Dashboard to see your course, or you can continue looking at curriculum to keep adding them. There is no time limit. You could add all of these lessons and units to your class and let your students choose. You could also go through one at a time to control which activities your students complete.